So before I start the video today, I want to talk a little bit about merchandise, which I usually add at the end of the video, but for this one I'm just going to bring it up to the front because I'm really proud of what these are looking like and what we've got. So we've got engine illustrations done by myself, Yamaha XVs, BMW K series, BMW R series engines, CX500, Moto Guzzi engines, all sorts. Have a look at the website ForTheBulletIndustries.com, see if there's an engine that you like or the style that you like. We've got tees, we've got mugs. The mugs are absolutely amazing. And we're pleased to say that we're now shipping posters now. Have a look, see if you like anything there. And we do ship worldwide. If you're living in America, Australia, New Zealand, India, anywhere, we ship there. So please, if you're interested in merchandise, have a look and you'll be supporting this channel. Enough with that now. Look what I've actually done. See those? It's only taken me, what, 2 years to put them up? I've had them for about 2 years. Starting to actually do things now with the workshop. It's an absolute mess at the moment. So many people have commented saying that I need to put a broom on the floor. Yes, I do. I need somewhere to put my helmets as well. The helmets are not in the best place on the wall over there. So anyway, I'm going off the subject. Today's video is going to be another Ducati video. I was hoping it was going to be a CB750. The CB750 is there. It's got the cowl on it. The regulator rectifier is there. I do need to wire it at one point. That is one thing that I do need to do, wiring. But I was hoping that it was going to be either an engine rebuild video or the tyres. The tyres have been delivered to the tyre fitting place at least. If you're on Instagram, then you'll have seen those tyres. If not, visit Instagram now, have a look, see what tyres I'm putting on it. It's gonna seriously divide opinion. I love them. I think they're amazing. I think the bike's gonna look absolutely mean. Some people are going to hate it. Some people are going to say, well, it's not really Cafe Racer tyres. But then again, what is a Cafe Racer nowadays? The crossover between Cafe Racer, Brat Scrambler is kind of hazy nowadays. Do what you want. So anyway, that's what I'm doing now. And the engine rebuild, I was going to do it for today, but I have crankshells. Loads of them. Most expensive piece of thing I've bought for as little sort of quantity, but we're waiting for more stuff actually. We're waiting for piston rings, the set 4 obviously, some assembly lube, and also Honda Bond. I can't really gel the crankcase together without Honda Bond. I was thinking about it. I was going to paint it afterwards after reassembling it, but whilst it's in pieces, why don't I paint it beforehand and then it's kind of done then. So that is going to be the step I'm going to be doing before the engine rebuild. It's actually painting the engine. There's that video to come. But today, the Ducati, I'm going to go back to the Ducati as another infill video, and I have bought this wicked belly pan for the Ducati. What I'm going to be doing today is fitting the belly pan on, showing the difference, and honestly, it looks cool. It looks cool. To me, the Ducati, I know it's a naked sports bike, but it's kind of a bit top heavy visually for me. I like to see a bit more at the bottom, and what I like about belly pans is that it sandwiches that trellis frame in the middle. That's what we'll be doing today. Let's have a look at it. Let's fit it. Enjoy. And so here it is, me being me. I can't leave things in a box and not look at it, so I've already taken it out to look at it. But for the purpose of a YouTube video, I'm going to pretend that I'm opening it for the first time. Check that out. That is lovely. Look at that shape. That little nose cone at the front there as well. So what you see I've got here is some brackets well, this is one side of it, so there's 4 brackets in total. This is one side, this is the left hand side. These brackets and little spacers here, they help to obviously move the brackets out into the right position, all sorts. We've got washers. It's really simple to fit it. Take the old bolts out of the engine cover, so there's a bolt for the cam belt cover there, and there's a bolt for the clutch cover there. Take those bolts out, put these brackets on, position them where you want to, tighten them, and then you fit the belly pan on. That's all there is to it. First thing I need to do though is put some self-adhesive foil on the bottom of the plate, so just as like a little heat protection against the exhaust, because the exhaust is going to be travelling down there. So let's do that first. And that is the final product. That is what I like about it. It's the fact that the bottom kind of finishes off. At the top, it's pretty top heavy as you can see without it. But with it, it just kind of like sandwiches it, and then you've got this trellis frame just going through the middle. If I am going to modify this bike, I think having a different accent colour engine against all that will differentiate again, but I mean, I might do something to it. Probably be a winter project after I've got all the other bikes done, but that is it, and I'm pretty happy with that. As a bolt-on kit that you can buy straight off the internet, that's pretty neat. And there we have it, the new belly pan. I'm seriously impressed with that. Considering it's something just bought straight off the internet, as a bolt-on kit, it looks pretty nice. I didn't break the bank buying it either. I know it wasn't a mould of my own or my own design or anything like that. I would have really loved to do a belly pan for the Ducati. I mean, it might be something that I might come to do over the winter months, so it might be something to think about. But I'm not going to do anything drastic, no real dismantling or anything on the Ducati until I've got the rest of these bikes done. Speaking of which, this week I am actually going to do the final job on the GS. The GS has been sitting here patiently, waiting to have that one last job done to it, and that is wiring in the rear lights. The rear lights have been sat over, in fact I've got two rear lights for some reason, sat over there. That will be a job for this week, and as well we've got the CB750 which is behind me there, ready to do as well. So we've got the all the bits needed for that, and I've got the ports there, piston rings, everything coming together. There's a lot of content to do, there's a lot of work to do, there's a lot of filming to do and a lot of editing to do, but don't worry, it'll all be done. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to this channel if you like what you see, and I will see you this week, this Friday I think, yeah, we'll have a video out this Friday. I'll see you then, take care.